Stonedine.com.au offers an exceptionally impressive and thoroughly satisfying experience that highlights the brand's strong commitment to premium quality, elegant design, and genuine customer-focused service, making it a standout choice in the home and dining category. From the very first visit to the website, everything feels polished, professional, and thoughtfully organized, allowing you to browse effortlessly through a beautifully curated collection that reflects refined taste and attention to detail. Each product showcases excellent craftsmanship, with sturdy construction, smooth finishes, and high-quality materials that feel durable, luxurious, and clearly built to last, giving a sense of long-term value rather than short-term appeal. The designs strike a perfect balance between modern sophistication and timeless style, making them versatile enough to enhance any dining setup or living space while still feeling unique and elevated. Product descriptions are clear and informative, helping you make confident decisions without confusion, and the ordering process is seamless and stress-free from start to finish. Delivery is handled with great care and reliability, with items arriving securely packaged and in perfect condition, which reflects the brand's professionalism and respect for its customers. Customer service further strengthens the overall experience, as communication is prompt, friendly, and genuinely helpful, making you feel valued and supported at every step. What truly sets Stonedine.com.au apart is its ability to combine visual elegance with everyday practicality, offering products that not only look stunning on display but also perform exceptionally well in daily use. Overall, Stonedine.com.au is a trustworthy, high-quality brand that consistently delivers style, durability, and excellent service, making it an ideal destination for anyone seeking beautifully designed, reliable home and dining essentials that provide lasting satisfaction and a premium feel.